Meet the Casio G-Shock Nano DWN-5600, the world's tiniest, toughest, ring-sized watch that proves size isn't everything. This isn't just a miniature model or a display toy. At only 6 grams and 1/10 the size of a regular G-Shock, the Nano 5600 is a fully functional digital timepiece built with the same DNA that made G-Shock an icon of durability. Available in 3 bold colors, black, red, and yellow, each Nano carries the familiar square shape of the classic DW5600. Casio even used recycled resin for the bezel and band, a nod to their growing commitment to sustainability. Don't be fooled by its size. The Nano packs a digital LCD, dual time, stopwatch, auto calendar, and even a flashing light alarm that blinks at your set intervals. Yes, those tiny side buttons actually work, letting you switch modes and activate the LED light just like a full-size G-Shock. Casio calls it the smallest shock-resistant G-Shock ever made, engineered using high-density component mounting and a compact 2-year battery. And yes, it's still water-resistant up to 200 meters and built to survive the same punishment as its bigger brothers. The adjustable band fits between 48 and 82 millimeters, meaning it can double as both a wearable ring and a collector's piece. Each one ships in a special box with a silicone display stand, perfect for your desk, shelf, or that growing G-Shock collection. The Nano DWN-5600 launches first in Japan this November for 14,300 yen, or about 95 USD, before heading to global markets, including the US and UK, soon after. From wrist to ring, Casio just redefined what it means to be tough in tiny form.